everyone, welcome back to Mental Picks. So for today's Amazon leads, we got a total of 47 leads, 32 coming from Amazon OA and then 15 coming from Amazon RA. So let's check some of our deals under the toy shop from online arbitrage. First up is the Sonic the Hedgehog Hodge Moto Bug figure with a profit of 3.46 with an ROI of 58%. Another Sonic deal that you could earn a profit of 4.23 with an ROI of 71%. Sonic Hedgehog of action figure, you could earn a profit of 3.23 with an ROI of 30%. And lastly, this Tony's deal with a profit of 4.13 and an ROI of 46%. There you go. Just from Toy Shop, you could get a lot of good profit and ROI deals. So check out the rest of the items that we got for you. And here are they. All right. There you go. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you some options, review giveaways, affiliate income, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested, feel free to check these channels out. A bot operated channel that we got for you is this Amazon to Amazon monitoring or for A to A flips. If you're into flipping, better check this one out because you could see all the latest price drops and deals from Amazon that you could also sell back on it. Another one is this price drop monitoring wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites. There you go. So you could see here 50% up to 80% price drop, guys. So check them out as well. And lastly, our general and Amazon community wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone.